Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and OS version so the exact menus match. Once done, back up or note keyboard preferences so you can restore them later. Now open Settings, then go to Sound and Vibration or System, right arrow Languages, and Input depending on your OS. You need to find the keyboard app entry. This is where vibration is controlled. Make sure to have the keyboard active so changes apply immediately, and keep the device unlocked to test each change. You now select the keyboard app, for example Gboard, SwiftKey, or Samsung Keyboard from input methods. Once inside, disable keypress vibration or haptic feedback. If there's a duration slider, set it to 0 ms so vibrations stop completely. Also check advanced keyboard settings for separate toggle labels and disable all related feedback options. In parallel, make sure global haptic feedback under sound settings is off, since that can override keyboard-level switches. You finish by restarting the device to ensure settings persist across sessions. After reboot, type in multiple apps to confirm no vibration returns. If vibration continues, make sure accessibility services or third-party utilities aren't enforcing haptics. Disable them temporarily. As a final troubleshooting measure, reset the keyboard app preferences or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard to clear corrupted settings. If nothing works, report the bug with device model and OS so developers can reproduce. This helps resolve hidden firmware-level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.